Bitcoin is moving continuously here to the upside, and I have taken a trade position that I want to talk with you about the targets that I'm looking at, and also where you can have a potential next entry if you missed this pump to the upside. If you think that's interesting, definitely stick around. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also of course activate the notification bell so that you will always be notified when I put out a new daily video. And now let's directly get to the charts here. So if you remember, guys, I had told you when we have a confirmed pump here to the upside above this downward sloping resistance line here on the 4-hourly chart, and also breaking out of this downward sloping channel, that is the moment where I gonna open a new long position. And that is exactly what I did. I did it quite late, I must admit, because yesterday when we got this rejection down here, let me actually zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, so when we got here this rejection, I was quite hesitant to see if we still see another move here to the downside before we break out, or directly gonna break out. And then overnight, while I was sleeping, we broke it to the upside. So I took a position around a little bit higher than where we are right now, around $27,320. And if you remember, guys, I told you when you break out, that would be my first target, and here would be my second target. So if you would have traded that with me together, congratulations, that I hope you did already take some initial profits here. And now you have a risk-free trade all the way up to the golden ratio up here. So, and that is for me my target right now in the immediate short term that I'm looking at. The 0.618, the 0.65, the golden ratio here at $28,300, $28,400 respectively. That is the next target here for the bulls, in my opinion. If we can close above $27,350, that is something we still have to wait if that is actually going to happen. But things are looking good right now, that this will pull through. So when we're looking at percentage-wise, so this is still almost, yeah, that's 4% to the upside, a little bit more than 4% from where we are right now. So here, yeah, 4.14% doesn't make a huge difference, right? So if you want to play this safe, wait until we close above the 0.382 level to open a new Bitcoin position. If you're not in it yet, like I am, just wait and trade it then all the way to the upside. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, do it on BYBIT. Still $30,000 absolutely for free if you sign up with my specific link here. And if you don't use my link, it's only $4,000. So it makes sense to use my link to get this big bonus here on BYBIT. And look also in the Telegram group, I just posted there the trade that I actually took. So if the price has not moved yet quite a lot, you can still take advantage of that. Also, Telegram link is in the comment below, or in the pinned comment below, or in the description of this video. So now let's move on to another time frame. So here on the 12-hourly time frame, what we can see is that we're retesting right now this downward sloping line of that bear flag that we have here. So we're just sitting on top of it right now. So, and remember, guys, I told you I don't want to see potentially a breakout directly out of here, something like this, because it would be a little bit premature for this pattern to break out. I would like to see it in 2 days breaking out, not earlier than that, and move then to the upside. So best case scenario, we get not completely rejected from here. We just start to go a little bit sideways and then break out. So that would be the ideal scenario for me to see here. Oh, of course, what can also happen is, because we are quite high on the stochastic RSI, that we see a mild correction back down and then start to go sideways and then see the break to the upside. From what I'm seeing right now, it really looks like that we might get here in the next, potentially this week, definitely this week, a nice breakout to the upside for Bitcoin. Yeah, also here on this 12-hourly chart, 30K is still acting as a magnet. So here we are still ranging in this range. That has also not changed yet. So the range comes in from 26,600 all the way up to $27,300, $400. That is the range that we are still trapped in. So, but if you are looking here a little bit closer, what you can see is that we kinda made a W pattern here. and we are just sitting on the neckline. So, and if we measure that, so we see here potential breakout to the upside. So the target would be around $28,600. That would be the target of that W pattern if we can close this 12-hourly candle above the neckline at $27,380. So I have also today some good news when it comes to altcoins for you guys. Yeah, that is the right chart here. So as you can see, Bitcoin is moving to the upside by $400, but the dominance only moved by 0.11%, so not a lot, and that is quite good, because I believe, again, what I also pointed out the other day is we might come up here to retest the 48.14% level, but then going to see a rejection to the downside, and that is when most of the altcoins are exploding, because it doesn't really matter at which altcoin I start looking right now. When I go to the weekly chart, let me show it to you, the stochastic RSI. Here, look, we are about bottom out on the stochastic RSI, which is of course bullish, and getting within the next week, so the coming week or the week after that, we're gonna see here a bullish crossover, and that will lead to another run in most of the altcoins. So it more or less doesn't matter to which coin I go. See here in Solana it takes a little bit longer, and Gala, it's already about to happen. So Gala would be already a good coin to get in yeah, on the weekend. I would not do it before, and we want to have that confirmed. So on the weekend, on Sunday, when we're closing the candle, would be a good moment to get into Gala. Then here, I think Unify, yeah, same thing. Matic, same thing, happened already. So here we see already a bullish candlestick formation appearing. So if that one would play out, we would go to at least 94 cents this week. So then Aave, see, either it happened already or it's about to happen. So that is the start of the altcoin season, guys. Remember that. So once Bitcoin starts moving here a little bit more to the upside, and the dominance is starting to get rejected from that level, we're gonna see that rollover moment where the altcoins then start to pump like crazy. And we have outliers already today, like Kava, Waves, RNDR, these kind of coins, they moved already crazy over the last 24 hours. So, and these are the outliers that are showing you the first signs of the altcoin season that is about to happen. So get ready, position yourselves, buy some coins slowly, yeah, or in the best case, do it on Sunday. If your coin has not yet that bullish crossover on stochastic RSI, just wait for it, buy then, and then we write this up over the next coming weeks. Guys, that's it for today's video. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.